In this video, you'll learn how to get an eBay dropshipping VPS. This guy will walk you through the necessary steps to select a reliable VPS provider, set up your server, and use it safely for your dropshipping business. Begin by researching various VPS providers. Look for those that offer stable servers and high uptime guarantees. Compare their pricing plans and server locations to find one that best fits your needs. It is essential to choose a provider with a solid reputation, so check customer reviews to ensure reliable performance. Additionally, select a region that matches your eBay account location to minimize latency. Once you've found a suitable provider, create an account and purchase a plan that aligns with your business requirements. After completing your purchase, log into the VPS dashboard provided by your chosen provider. Here, you will deploy an operating system template that suits your needs. This action typically involves selecting your preferred operating system from a list and confirming your choice. Once the operating system is deployed, create login credentials for remote access. You will need these credentials to connect to your VPS securely. Utilize remote desktop software to establish this connection, ensuring you have a stable internet connection for a smooth experience. After connecting, install any necessary browsers and tools that you will require for your dropshipping activities. Using a VPS safely is crucial for maintaining the security of your eBay account. Always access your eBay account exclusively through the VPS environment. Avoid logging in from multiple locations to reduce the risk of unauthorized access. Keep your login credentials secure and refrain from sharing them with anyone. Regularly update the system to protect against vulnerabilities and enhance security. It is also important to monitor your VPS performance and connection stability, making adjustments as necessary to maintain optimal functionality. Establishing a consistent usage pattern will help avoid any issues related to account security. Remember that large files or resource-intensive applications may affect your VPS performance. If you experience slow response times, consider checking the server load and your internet speed. Additionally, be mindful of your storage capacity on the VPS to ensure that you have enough space for your operations. Regular review your plan and upgrade if necessary to accommodate your growing dropshipping needs. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.